Okay, win. Okay, first quarter action now between Janas and Alforno. Alforno playing in blue, Janas playing in white. Pops up, wala po tayo po dyan. And now, ito po ngayon. It's just Akshay again. Lopez Bakay, Bakay against Velasco. Akshay, naipit ang konti. Chaco, Bakay, pops up, pasok ang bola. Bakay 2 points, Bakay na opening the quarter game now with 2 points already. Biwi, wala. And Dance, nakaliba muli po tayo yun. Bakay, Bakay, pinapaba ang bola ni Bakay. Dante, hoop shot, 2 points. Again, ito muli po tayo. Batigin. Batigin. Fade away shot. 2 points. Batigin. 2 points. Batigin. Akshay. Akshay. Pinapaba ang bola. Akshay. And Dante. 2 points natin. And time of goal by Team Jan. Okay, Janas Gourmet trailing behind by 4 points at 8:52 minutes. 8:52 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Okay, balik ulit po tayo mga boss. Masok. Mga kolekta. Ako na yung winding. Akshay, Bakay, Bakay, pops up. Pasok na naman, Bakay, 2 points. Winlin is ating mga pipito po Coach Homer. Winlin at and pops up again. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Akshay. Chaco for 3. Bam! They're hot. 11 to na po ang score po. Alam na po siyam ang team Alforno. Nanakawan. Ilyas. Back again for 3. Tapos. Biwi. Batigin. Tagyam. 2 points Tagyam. 2 points Tagyam. Takop. Batigin, dulukot, pasok. Okay, Chaco, pinapaba mo ng bola ni Chaco. Chaco, Akshay again, Akshay. 11-6. Chaco to Akshay, na yung mag-sap. Wala. Rebound battle won by Pini. Eto Batigin, si Science Way. May foul, contact sa baba. Foul po siya mo sa baba. Sa baba, foul po sa baba. Who's foul rep? Okay, ito po, complete all. Janas Station po and also Alforno po. Okay, again, inbounding ang Janas. Tupa, Pesarillo. Batigin. Nakalusot. To Pesarillo again. Against Akshay. Nako ng pick. Pops sa Pesarillo. Kapos. And Alforno ball. Bola po nila Alforno po. Bola po na Alforno. Foul called. At 6:28 remaining, laman pa rin po ng Alforo ng 5, 11-6. De La Cruz called for a foul. Bakay for the inbound. Bakay inbounding. Bakay. And Dante. Dante po posisyon. Elias pops number 3. No. Rebound battle one by Aaron De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz foul called. Foul called on Aaron. Foul called. Number 42. Jersey number 42 called for the foul. 13 pal po ng Alforo. Inbound dimili po ngayon. Si Patikin. 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 Siya wala bola kay Patikin. Kick pass. Echako foul called. Duty foul na yan. Duty foul na yan. Ay, Makon? Okay, second tip of Janas Gumay. Janas Gumay again. Patikin. So, Elias. Pops na Patikin. Pasok ang bola kay Patikin. Patikin means business tonight. Patikin wants this game to be extended one more Tuesday. And Aaron De La Cruz masyado malakas ang pasa. Aaron nakalusot. Aaron palpal. Nice block by Chaco. Elias. Up. Nice swipe. Aaron De La Cruz malakas. Nandun sa Tagyam. Buti na sa Tagyam. 14-8 ang score. Laman po rin po ng 6. Laman pa rin po ng 6. Chaco. Driving. No. It's Elias. Pops up to Chaco again. Chaco. No good. Nandun si Bakay. Bakay to Chaco again. Chaco thinking 3. Tapos. Again. Akshay. Akshay. Dante. No good. Rebound battle one by. Good ball. Apono. Elias. Chaco again. Chaco. And one play by Chaco. De La Cruz again goes for a foul. Substitution made now. Chaco shooting for the bonus free throw. Adang ko yan!
Ano, gusto mo?
No. Okay. No problem. No. Okay. Yes na ako.
Baka na bumaba.
Okay, 16-8 yung score po natin. Pop sa Pesarillo. Tapos. Again, Ashim. Chaco for 3. No. Rebound by. Patingin. Nice one. No foul. Bahardo, 2 points. Laman pa rin po ng 6 pa rin po ang Team Alforno. Both teams doesn't want to get away. Pagdagpapantayin sila po pareho. Then for sure, some adjustments already been made. Chaco, again, nako ni Dante, and it's a foul call. Giants may 14 fouls, 20. Sakbo na po tayo ang Duran. Duran ang buwang para kay Mr. Bahardo. Pisarillo, runner. Patikin, pinapantay si Yachin. Akshay, pops up. No! Rebound battle over the white shirts. Bahardo. Nandun si Elias. Binato agad. Nandun na si Velasco. Batigin. Velasco. Tutag. Velasco. No good. Nice one. Tulong na ko sayang. Hindi napasok na ako sa bola. foul, no foul. And Fajardo. Oh, teka lang. Alforno ball, tumalon siya. Nadikit. Please take note po, Alforno. Alforno's bench is a little depleted compared to Janice Gourmet. Wala mo ni pa rin Janas. Tama po tayo, Alforno. Shake it ba? Okay. Dahil kanina kasi inangat ko, nag-reduce yung tripod kasi. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo ngayon. 10-6 score po natin. Ha? Ha? Naka-zoom na. According to ano. Balik muli po tayo. Alforno ball. Duran against Bakay. Fajardo. Patikin again. Against Hashim or Elias. Nakalusot. Aaron de la Cruz, 2 points. It's the extra pass that counts for Team Janice Gourmet. Bakay, pops up, ayaw. Bakay, no, it's Chaco, 2 points. Chaco, 2 points. Yes. Yung data ko ginagamit dito, di ko mo bumitaw yung ano kay Kevin. Ha? Bumitaw yung Kevin. Ha? Sige, mami na lang. Duran! Wala! Sayang. Kasi laman pa rin po ng ano, laman pa rin po. Oh, tayo lang po. Okay. 1:38 remaining. First quarter action is about to end. 18-12 ang score po natin. Bakay, power move. 2 points Bakay. Durano, rebound by Patikin. Foul sa ilalim. Jersey number 24 for a foul. Akshay. Second personal foul. 1 for penalty also. Team Alforno. Positioning po sila ngayon. Positioning. Aaron de la Cruz. Power move by Aaron de la Cruz. Oy! Offensive foul call. Ouch. That hurts. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Ayan na si Hashim. Dante. 23 ba score po natin? Dante. Chaco again. Chaco. Inahin si Bakay. Dante denied. Same ball. No. Okay, correction. It's Alforno ball talaga, sabi ng referee. It's Alforno ball. Bakay setting up the pace again. Bakay, the general ng Alforno. And nandun si Akshay. Hashim again. Pops up for 3. Nope. In and out. Again, ito muli po si Patikin nakalusot. And to Tagyam, ayaw. Tagyam, Jolens, ayaw. Rebound by Dante. Dante to Chaco again, Chaco to Hashim to Mr. Dante, move by Dante, offline, rebound by Tagyam. Janice Gourmet is going out for Twin Tower combination against Twin Tower combination, of course, of the Alforno team. Patikin nakalusot, floater, 2 points. Ito na naman, alim na naman ang kalamangan. 9 seconds remaining. Chaco. Good ball. Dante pops up. No good. And that's it. Wala na, out of bounds. Okay. Hanap buhay muna po tayo. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo. Nandiyo din po ang Jana Basketball Team, Jana's Gumitio, Luxury Shanty, Winners Apparel. Nandiyo din po ang Hukop Apparel, HB Kicks, JPEX TV. Of course, nandiyo din po si Mr. Kisudukwe, Iowa Nation, Sinag Digital Media. And of course, si Tok Tok Saigon Restaurant. And saan po natin po dyan po, this is now the finals between the both teams. Jana's Gumay versus Alforno. Game number 2 po tayo. JG leads the series by 1-0. And of course, wala. Favor yung pinapakisa akin na hindi na-save dito. Yung 100,000 pesos na pa-promo ng dyan. Bababa ko yun. Swipe away! Chaco! Uy! Nalabas! And Akshay! Long 2! Pasok! Long ko lang. Nawala yung ano. Batiging 2 points. Still, laman pa rin po ng 6 ang Team Alforno over Jana's Gourmet. Game number 4 Alforno looking to tie the series. At gusto pa nila meron pa ito isa pang Tuesday. Pero ang chance ko sabi niya ayaw na. Tama na. And nice D Dante. Pops up. No good. Ricky. Malakas. Chaco. Foul on Chaco. Chaco called for a foul. Please take note po, medyo depleted po ang bench po ng Jan ng Alforno. We'll see if this will take effect po on the latter stages of the game. Papsa, Pardo, wala. Dante. Okay, thank you. Ipadali sa akin 6644922. Yung dalawang water case niya. Okay, mundi lang yata no na natamaan yata yung tiyan niya sa tira kasi 44922. WhatsApp ko yan. Dito WhatsApp ito. Yan itong dalawang to. Yan lang yung sponsor natin? Wala nito. Okay, go. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Sab muna si Batigin, pagpapahingin muna. Okay, 40 minutes kay Batigin. Pajardo, Tagyam, Duran, Samar, and Pesarillo. Lost the ball again, Alforno. 7:59 remaining. Elias, Dante again, Dante, Akshay, pinapanatan, Akshay, Chaco, palpal! Palpal! Tagyam ang bola. Nice block by Tagyam. Velasco, nilabas mo na rin. Please take note po, depleted po ang bench po ng Alforno. We'll see if it will affect him in the latter stage of the game. Chaco, no good. Tagyam. Samar, hinahount si Dante. Pesarillo, binababa naman. Pesarillo. Pops up, Duran, wala. No good.
There's number 26.
26 goal for a foul. Pesarillo.
First team foul.
The score is 24-16. Sorry po. 24-16 po yung score po natin yan. Lamang pa rin po ang Alforno ng 8. Hashim, second throw. Pass wala. Rebound. Pesarillo naman. Pajardo again, Pajardo. Pasok ang bola. Akshay, no good. Walang tawag. Ami Stevens yun. Samar. 2 point Samar. Chaco yung Samar, Chaco na usot. May foul. Nice foul by referee.
There's number 9. Substitution.
Yun, ito.
Saman first, personal foul.
Samar first for the foul. 6-7. Okay, Batikin, babalik na rin. Nakarecover si Batikin for Duran. Batikin, good quality minutes by Batikin also in the early stage. Akshay, Hashim, binababa ang bola ngayon, Hashim, and Chaco, ayun, Ricky, no good. Batikin, dinalabas, Batikin, saan pupunta, ayun, nakitagyam, hindi, si Chaco, Akshay again, 6:13 remaining. Akshay again. Wala. Rebound. Samad. Palpal. Grabe depensa mga kaibigan ko po. Both teams one team wants it to end tonight and the other wants to end in the other night. Balala po natin po dyan after 2 more quarters. And please take note po, at halftime po tayo, meron po tayong awarding ceremonies po. Okay. Samad shooting for 2. Not Samad pala. Samad first shot, kapos. Second throw, Samad. Jumpers ready po tayo. Okay, basket made. Okay, Velasco pinasok muna para kay Samad. Ay, di pala kay Pesarillo pala. Samad. Chaco. Laban ang bola kay Chaco. And puti ang bola. Ang bola'y puti. Sabi ng referee. Chance ko may ball. Balik muli po tayo again to Pesarillo, Pajardo. Batikin again. Ayun na. Batikin, pops up. No. Hashim. Elias, batikin. Bakay. No good. Bakay again. Vintage Bakay. Velasco. Fajardo, nagmamadali si Fajardo. Fajardo, palpal!
You guys don't do foul.
Nasa loob, nasa labas kami. Ang proseso nasa loob, wala tayong magagawa natin yun.
How is it foul? It is not foul. Stop his favoritism. Today also favoritism. It's not foul.
Okay, Iowa Nation, may...
Not foul. You have the video. You have to show it is not foul. It is not foul. Last day also they did the same thing.
Okay, again. Pops up, Fajardo, wala. Second shot, Fajardo, jumper shot, ready po tayo. It's in. Time out, let's see. Okay, so official time po tayo. Habang po tayo po ng timeout, meron po pa promo po rito ang MC Cargo. Sinasabi ito, manalo po tayo ng prizes available. Pagpadala po kayo para manalo po tayo ng 100,000 pesos. Second prize po is 2-way ticket to the Philippines. Third prize po is 2-door refrigerator and also consolation prize of 8 winners the MC Gift Pack. Promo starts on October 11 till January 31, 2026. Yan po ang sinasabi nga po ito, magpadala at manalo 100,000 pesos stake po sa Marica Cargo. Nice na backslide. Chaco! Foul! Lorena called for a foul at 4:54 remaining. 24-22 ang score pala po natin ngayon. Okay, Chaco against chancing to Chaco to extend the lead. Pops up Chaco. Pasok! Okay, second shot for Chaco. Jumpers ready po tayo. Please take note po again. Alforno has a depleted lineup po sa bench. Bench lineup po, medyo depleted po sila. Kulang-kulang po sila. Pero we'll see what adjustment their coaches will do on the latter stages of big game. Ha? Ayun yata. Sa Aison. Magbibis. Okay, alponable po tayo. Bola muli po ng Alforno. Again, eto na naman tayo. Akshay. Again, patingin ako ng pick. Akshay, Chaco. Again, Aaron de la Cruz. Akshay again. Akshay. And Mr. Foul! Nice one. Nice drive. Pinapakita ni Bakay kung sino talaga siya dati. Lorena get hooked for a foul. And Chaco, binabatin ni Loren. Pops up. Elias, no good. Rebound by Ricky. Ricky is Velasco. Akshay na outside. Akshay! Kalbo si Ricky. Balik muli po sa kalimangan. Lamang po na Alforno. Velasco pa! Wala! Sababa tayo Velasco. Aaron de la Cruz, pops up. Palpal. Lorena, wala! Big again. Na-stop sila. Akshay. Elias. Akshay again. No, it's Ricky. Foul again, Lorena. Pangatlo kagad yan in 1 quarter alone. 3 fouls committed by Mac Lorena.
Batanega County Christopher Kennedy Dallas.
Giannis Gimay now in penalty situation. Pops up, Ricky, wala. Malakas sila malalangin yung sabi ko. Wala. Ayan. Second shot now, jumpers ready. Ricky, second throw, pops up. It's out. Rebound by Aaron de la Cruz. Gang up now, gang up team sa Aaron sa kalusot. Aaron Cruz, Velasco. Nope, it's Fajardo, no good. Tap away kagad, tap away. Elias, 2 points. Pagpag, foul called. Okay. Okay, frustration na kay Batikin. Okay, sabdo na po tayo. Acuña para kay Loremia dahil si Loremia nakatato agad sa isang quarter pa lang. And si Velasco, number 6, shooting for 2. First shot, Velasco. Wala! Second shot, Velasco. Official ko po natin, 30-22. Pops up, it's in. Okay, Dante, nalabas muna para kay Chaco. The concern now. Hey! Stepping on the line. Ricky called for the stepping. Balik muli po sa Giannis ang bola. Acuña, ginagala muna bola. To Batikin. Nakalo si Batikin. Pops up si Batikin. No good. Oy! Alponobol. Batikin has yet to find the range sa kanyang tira ngayong gabing ito. Nako ng pick. Shy! 3 points! Okay, double beat it down. Hellball situation. Okay, bola pa ng porno. Okay, one team wants to end tonight. The other team wants to end to the other night. Malalaman po natin po yan after 2 more quarters. Sa halftime po tayo, meron po tayong awarding ceremonies po for the halftime. Pops up. Again, wala. Rebound, Velasco. Binabang bola. Velasco! Malakas! Giannis Gimay go for the timeout. Okay, again pa may promo po ang Malaga Cargo. Sabi nito magpadala at manalo lang 100,000 piso. Yan po yan. Sinasabi, the price at stake now at as follows po. Basahin ko na lang po. Una po, grand prize of 100,000 pesos. Ha? Second prize po natin, 2-way ticket to the Philippines. Third prize po natin po is a 2-door refrigerator. And consolation prize of 8 winners of MyMC gift pack. Promo starts on October 1, 2025. Ongoing na po ito hanggang January 31, 2020. Ang draw date po nito po is anniversary po ng Maharlika Cargo. Yan, ulitin po natin po, magpadala at manalo sa Maharlika Cargo. 2 minutes remaining. Talavera. Okay. Hop, ano yun? Game ball. Game. Acuna. Pesarillo. Landon Sakshay. 5 seconds shot clock. Aaron De La Cruz. Shot clock violation made. Okay, good goal po tayo. A minute and 45 remaining sa ating shots in game clock. Game po tayo ngayon. Hashim or Elias to Akshay again. Akshay, Elias. Akshay, lost the ball. Dante, foul. Penalty situation for sure. Okay, time out po by Alforno. Habang po tayo naka-time out po, hanap buhay muna po tayo. Hangin natin to. May have your attention please. May have your attention please. Game. Okay, nag-map po na po. Dante shooting. Dante, penalty free throws po ni Dante. Okay, pops up Dante. Pasok. Dante means business tonight. Alforno wants this to end in the other night, not tonight. Pops up again. Oh, basket. We see now again. Foul called. Bakay called for a foul. Penalty situation, Alforno. Batikin shooting for 2. Batikin for a shot. It's out. Batikin second throw. Jumper shell din po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Lamang po na labing isa ang Alforno. Patal! Nice one by Blasco. Nice swipe by Blasco.
30 seconds to shoot.
30 seconds to remain, 30 seconds to shoot.
30 to shoot.
Okay, Bakay, binababa, pinapasok ang bola, Bakay. Sino? Ayun! Elias! Bakay. No. It's Akshay. Akshay for 3. Okay, Bakay Batikin. batigin. Batigin. Batigin! Sayang! Again, batigin, shooting for 2. Lamang na po ng 16 po ang Alforno. 40-24.
7 seconds. Final score 24-14.
7 seconds remaining. First shot pwede yung pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay, apat. Bakay. Pops up. Wala na. Okay, halftime po tayo. Halftime, meron po tayo awarding ceremony sa... Awarding muna po tayo at halftime. Halftime po tayo, awarding for halftime. Saan? Dito? Dito lang? Ayan, kapag magkakaparos. Ayan, okay, halftime po tayo ngayon. May po tayong awarding ceremony po at halftime.
No, plus. Okay. Awarding po tayo, awarding. Mahali Acordo. Safe at sigurado.
Hanap, yung ano muna, gumula ako. Tingnan ko muna. Yung per yung data. Yung enroll, yung may data naman ito mayroon. Okay, Marlaga Cargo po, pina-award po ngayon yung ating mga, yung mga sponsors po natin. Okay, nagbabalik muli po tayo ngayon sa gabing ito. Halftime pa rin po tayo ngayon. Pasensya na po nagkaroon naman sa konting aberya. Yung data kasi, nagwala. Pinakalap pa nga patahimigin pa, kaya gano'n. Okay, asap na po, lamang pa rin pong Alforno. 25-40. Okay, 20-40 po. Alforno pwede leading by 15 points. Okay, binibigyan na po ngayon yung mga sponsors po natin. Okay, Tugtog Saigon also, tanggap po siya pa ng award po ngayon. Okay, Marlaga Cargo, tumanggap po ng plaque po, commemorative plaque po sa kanyang pagtulong po dito sa ligang ito.
Shaki, Yasin Shaki, and Mr. Bakit, wala ko sila dito, and Mr. JPXTV.
Okay, si Sobag din, wala rin si JPX TV. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game.
Back to the game. For the 10th quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Now, third quarter action. 25-40 po tayo. Please take note po. I think Alforno has to rest it also. Mahaba po kasi po yung ating halftime. Pero still, 2 more quarters to go before we see kung tayo po ay aalis. Matatapos ba ito? Oo. Meron pang isa pang Tuesday sa Tuesday para sa game number 3. Alisi, nasa loob pala. Batikin. Kalisin po posisyon. Nice box by Dante. Bothered by Dante.
6 seconds to shoot. 6 to shoot.
Balik ulit po tayo. Ito na.
6 seconds to
Oh,
shoot.
teka lang. Oy! Tumama sa Alporno.
5 to shoot.
Okay, kickball, kickball. Balik muli po sa 40
20
seconds.
seconds, 40 seconds, sorry. 40
Kickball po
seconds.
kasi, kickball, kickball. Kalisin. Malakas ang pasa ng Kalisin.
And Gordon Brown.
Nice D, nice D. Nice D by Alporno again. I think they will mark the Kalisin for sure. Elias, Kalisin, against Elias. Akshay against Kalisin, out of bounds. Kalisin will be marked for sure, also with Batikin also. Sila kasi po ang gumapang sa Janas. Okay naman po ng 13 na lang po ang Alporno. Serious long match. Dante against Aaron. Pops up Dante. Tapos. Batiin na naman. Batiin. Pardo. Masyadong malalim. Tagyam. Dinokweng na. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Okay. White ball pa rin. Sorry. White ball. Aaron de la Cruz. Nakalusot. Aaron. Langit na. Malalim. Malalim po, boss. Dante. Ilyang. 2 points. Again, 2 points. Elias, 2 points. Kalisin. Kickball, white ball. Sa amin referee, it's white ball. Agyam! 2 points, may tapon pa! Agyam, 2 points. Plus top board. Plus bonus free throw coming up, 42-29. Chance to further the team to total 12 points. Tagyam, pasok. It's in. Akshay. Akshay, no good. Rebound, battle one by Aaron de la Cruz. Pardo. Foul. Chaco go for the foul.
No! Hey, Boston foul!
Pardo is number 7. Third personal foul.
Chaco, third personal foul.
Second personal foul.
Again, Kalisin. Against Akshay. Kalisin. Kick pass. Kalisin. Ayun na. They have to adjust now. Alcorn have to adjust now. Kalisin is there. Up! Offensive foul called on the side. Okay, Homer. Ang ating popular previous boy, senior referees po yan po of the SPB ARA. Ako representation. Yan po si headed by Coach Homer. Gwenda Olco with Winley Ocom. At yung isa, Alporno. Laman pa rin po ng Alporno Everett siya. Aaron de la Cruz! Wala! Ginato! Ricky. Double team. Tapos mo na raw. May isang mga minute. Matigit ang defensive part talaga. Defensang Marino. Tapal bull kasi talaga ang defensa niya. but surely, for sure. Patigin for 3. Yeah! It's all for Janice Vermeil. Okay, may papapromo ang Marlon na Cargo, MC Cargo. Yan po ang magpadala at manalo ng 100,000 piso. Yan ha. Yan po yung mechanics po dito. Magpadala po kayo at manalo po ng 100,000 piso. Promo po ito from October 1 to January 2025. Ang draw din po ito is February po ito. During po sa anniversary po ng Maharlika Cargo. Maharlika Cargo, safe at sigurado. Double team na. Ito na naman sila. Again, Chaco. Akshay. Naulusot. Oy! Aray, masakit. Ibig ka kanyan. Chaco, Chaco, Chaco. Akshay, Akshay, Akshay. Akshay. Ricky. Ricky, pwede yung shot, 2 points. Lamang pa rin po ng 8 ang Janice, ang Team Alforno. Katikin, ayaw. Kalisin, 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 the baby face assassin, pops up again. In line! 39-44. Foul call for sure. Wow! Foul call. Okay, please take to. Lamang na puli po ng 5 ang Team Alforno. Over Kali. Over Janice Vermeil. Okay. Good ball. Chaco na kalusot. Ricky. Okay. Time out muna po. Diyan, nasa time out muna po tayo. Magbabalik po kami habang meron pong woo! Grabe. It's getting hot here. Grabe. It's getting hot in here. Back to the ball game. The score rate is 44-39. A 5-point lead advantage left. A 5-point lead advantage now being enjoyed still by Shanna, by Team Alforno over Janice Gourmet. Ito na muli po tayo nyo. Kalisin. Kalisin again. Kalisin. Kalisin. Jump call for the foul. 41-46. Again, pops up. Wala. Wala ka wala. Ano. Masyado. Jude point, he's been forcing to change their shot. Lumayo na naman sila. Namuli po ng 8. Dante. Elias, Chaco for 3. No good. Rebound by Aaron De La Cruz. Pinapaba ang bola ngayon ni Patikin. 49-41. Nice one. Big shot by Patikin. 49-49. Mahaba pa yan. May isang quarter pa for both teams. China's may want to end tonight, but Albany said otherwise. Foul count, foul call. They want to end. It's one team want to end tonight, but the other one want to end the other night. Gusto ko doon ang next po isa. And of course, sabihin sumuna po tayo dyan. Sino po yun? Okay. Aaron De La Cruz. Nilabas muna si Aaron De La Cruz. And Elias, wala. Centro, Elias. Wala pa rin, oh. Wow. Who's for rep? Velasco go for the foul. Oh. Top break. Giannis going top. Giannis give a penalty situation. Dante shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot. Alforno, third personal foul. One for team Alforno. Jump 2 points. 2:53 remaining. Bakay! Bang! Short! Ang talim nun, grabe! Bakay! Unstoppable in the field. Nice one. Dante goal for the foul. Penalty situation, team Alforno. Dahil sa laking po kasi po ng balibapante po talaga, they have to change the shot. Shot angle. Mardo pops up. First shot. Second throw, jump is ready. Second or Pardo, Champions ready po tayo. Pops up. Both basket na yun. Anim na naman ang kalamangan. Again, si Patigin nagpapatay kay Keno, kay Akshay, Mr. Elias. Nako po si Akshay. Talisin ang ungang bola. One minute 30 remaining. Elias. Again. Bakay. Bakay. Foul called. Bakay shooting for sure. 1:19 remaining. Bakay. Penalty situation po ang Team Janas. Kalisin. Pangalo lang po ni Kalisin yan. Bakay shooting for 2. Bakay first shot. It's in. Bakay second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Bakay second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. No. Up. White ball. Sabi ng referee, white ball. Laman po ng 7. Patigin, pinababa ang bola. Velasco. Out of bounds. Rest 14 seconds. 7 po tayo. Pinalas talaga. Again, shooting for 2. Hashim shooting for 2 again, or Elias shooting for 2.
45 seconds.
Elias shooting for 2. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready. It's it.
45 seconds.
Chaco. Chaco. Okay, that's it. Okay. Final 10 minutes. Malalaman natin if they will finish it tonight or they'll finish it to the another night. Yan. Okay. Will Alforno says there will be another week to come. Or let's say Janas Gumay will say it's enough. They will have now the trophy tonight. Malalaman po natin po after 10 minutes of basketball action dito po sa PSBQ Basketball League. Ito po ang liga ng sikat po ngayon. Naglalaban po ngayon Alforno versus Janas Gumay. Janas Gumay leads the series by 1-0. Okay. This game is for the following sponsors: Monica Cargo, McDonald's Qatar. Saan mo natin po dyan ang Janas Basketball, Janas Gumay, Lucky Vicente, Winas Apparel, of course, nandiyo po ang HB Kicks, Hook Up Apparel, of course, nandiyo po ang JPX TV, of course, it's Versa Duque, si Nagdito Media, at si Iowa Nation, and po, Tuktok Saigon. Ito po ang the finals, fourth quarter action now between Janas Gumay and Alforno. Woo! Okay, Jana's Gourmet guarding Alfono on the defensive. Bakay, inbounding. Akshay. Walang Elias. Cross the ball. White ball. White ball, 9.5 remaining. Chance of Trinton ni Ato either 3 points or 4 points. Santos FC. Chaco. Bakay! Balakas! Foul! Okay, shooting po yan. Akop shooting yan. Akop shooting.
Where's the number 6?
Number 6. Velasco. Third personal, second personal pa na Velasco. Chaco. Wala ka! Second shot, jump is ready. Chaco, relax. Get it, get it. Chaco, second throw, jumper's ready. Both basket never made. Velasco. Ito naman, apat na lang. Inumi naman. Akshay. Akshay, nakalusot. Akshay! Akshay! Default shot, 2 points. Wow. Default shot, 2 points for Akshay. And to Fajardo. Fajardo. Pops up Velasco. No good. Nando. Big pass. Tagi. Tagyam. Tagyam. Lost ball. Foul called. Woo! 8:44 remaining. Haba pa yan. Akshay, 4 personal fouls. 1 for graduate. Offside. Bakay. 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 Foul again. Foul. Bakay. On Bakay. Foul on Bakay. May permission eh. Okay, sa baba. Fajardo, 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Dante. Akshay. Ay, Hashim. Akshay. Swipe away. Okay, 30 seconds remaining, 30 seconds to shoot. Chaco. Bakay. Bakay nakalusot. Bakay. 2 points Bakay. 2 points Bakay. Akshay! Wala! Okay, Velasco labas muna. Bakay. Hashim. Kapos. Chaco, naka-rebound. Bakay. Masyado malakas ang pasa. Elias! Play now! Nando si Akshay! Akshay! Sa makalabangan. 6 minutes remaining. Okay, tama for sure. Janice may call for a timeout. Okay, plugging muna po tayo. Hanapin muna po tayo. Okay. Mega Christmas promo po ng Maharlika. Yan, manalo po. Magpadala at manalo po ng 100,000 piso. Handog po ng Maharlika Cargo. Okay, first prize po 100,000 pesos. Iporela pesos po. Second prize po is 2-way ticket po from to the Philippines. Third prize po 2-door refrigerator. Fourth prize po is 8 winners po ng MC Gift Pack. Promo runs from October 1 to January 31, 2026. Ang draw date po nito po sa anniversary po ng Maharlika Cargo. Ayan. Chaco. Hashim! Siya ang kalamangan. No! Minamalas pa talaga ang Janas. Akshay. Foul! Holding foul. Okay, Velasco, pasok muna. Kalisi, pangatlo na kalisi niya. 5:43 remaining, 66-55. Hashim, first shot. Pasok! Hashim, second throw, jump is ready. No good. Okay, nagkasita sa Kalisi kasi. Yan, ino lang. 19 seconds shot clock, given. Pahardo, Kalisi. Pinapatay, markado na. In and out. Offensive foul. Offensive foul on Dante. Offensive foul on Dante. Ano pa rin Dante yan? Third person pa by Dante. Third person na foul. Hashim. So good. Rebound by Kalisi. 14 na naman po muli ang kalamangan po ng team Janice Gumay. Kanina 4 na lang yan. Dante. Dante Magid, warning for graduate, 4 personal fouls, warning for graduate. Okay, tatakin yan.
37 seconds.
Alisin.
33.
No good. Okay. 3:35 remaining. 7:35. Chaco. Chaco and Dante. Chaco. Akshay Palpal. Rebound. Velasco. Kalichi. Okay, they will start to milk the clock now. Alforno is starting to milk the clock. Bakay, 2 points. All Bakay showdown tonight. Bang! 2:22 remaining. Crowd force should foul out si Dante. Dante, foul out. Okay, Ricky para kay Dante. Pardo shooting for the bonus free throw at 2:08 remaining. It's in. Bakay. Ricky. Hinahap si Bakay. Nasimisalingan. Ricky. Bakay. Chaco. Offensive foul on Chaco. Chaco, 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Alforno, 1 for penalty. Batikin. Fajardo. Sayang. Bakay. Chaco. Alpal. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have another Tuesday again. Game number 3 between Alforno and Janas Gourmet. Labo na yan. 31 seconds remaining. 2 points. Okay, safety basket na yan. Wala na. Okay, that's it. Final score 17-63. Winner by 13 points. Team Alforno. Ladies and gentlemen, meron po tayo next game po. Next game pa po tayo. Series tied not 1-1 between Alforno and Giannas Gourmet. May isang Tuesday pa. Maraming salamat po. Before we go, meron po tayong ano po rito from Mahalaga Cargo. Magpadala at manalo po ng 100,000 piso. Courtesy po yan po ng Mahalaga Cargo. And of course, before we go, of course, nandito po tayo. This game is sponsored by PSP Basketball League. Of course, Mahalaga Cargo and MC Cargo. And series tied now. Update ko po ito mamaya. Series tied now at 1-1. Yan. Meron po tayong third game po tayo between Mahalaga Cargo, between Alforno and nandiyan po ang Giannas. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa inyo.